In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email notifications in Google Forms. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have quick alerts in your inbox every time someone submits a response, which is perfect for staying on top of signups, feedback, or registrations without constantly refreshing your form. Start by heading to Google Forms in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that owns the form or has editing access. Once you're in, open the form you want to monitor. This can be a form you've already created or one you're collaborating on. If you're part of a team, remember that notification settings are personal. Each editor can choose whether they want emails or not. With the form open, look toward the top of the page and switch to the Responses tab. This is where all submissions live, and it's also where you'll control your notifications. If you don't see any responses yet, that's okay. Notifications work even if you're just getting started. In the Responses section, move your attention to the top right corner of that area. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Click that menu to reveal a list of options specifically related to responses. From the drop-down, select Get Email Notifications for new responses. Once you turn this on, Google Forms will send an email to the account you're signed in with every time someone submits the form. This is a simple toggle. If you come back to the same menu later, you can turn it off the same way. You'll usually see a check mark next to the option when it's active. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If you're not receiving emails after enabling notifications, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that your email service isn't filtering the messages into spam or promotions. If you've temporarily turned off accepting responses in your form, you won't get new emails until responses are allowed again. Also, if you connect your form to a Google Sheet, keep in mind that Sheets has its own notification settings. Those are separate, and you can use either or both depending on your workflow. That's all it takes. You've gone from a silent form to real-time updates with just a couple of clicks. Try it on your most active form so you can respond faster, follow up with people quickly, and keep your projects moving without manual checking. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with email notifications turned on.